Wade Sabers.
Hello, Saber fans, one and all. I have blue hands today. Do you know why I have blue hands? Because of this little jewel right here. This is a 7Chambers Aniflex. And I have to tell you that I really like this saber. This was sent to me to be installed, and as soon as I took it out of the box, I was like, oh, this is nice. If I had to guess, I would say this is brass with chrome plating on it. It is heavy, really has some weight to it. It is a finger magnet, hence the blue gloves. Now these aren't quite dark enough to be Firefly blue, if anyone knows that reference. So, yeah, I designed a chassis for this and installed it the way the customer wanted me to. And this was a interesting build, as most of them are. I had a wrench here. Does anyone else have a problem with losing wrenches? I mean, I have a whole drawer full of, I mean, look at this. Here we go. I've got this size, and oh, that one's got so many in it I can't even get it out. This is the size that I need right here, and it was right here a second ago. And now it has disappeared into the black hole that exists in my shop. Oh, here it is. Look at here. I found it. It's on the other side. So now I have two. All right. So first of all, we're going to look at let's just look at this thing. Look at this thing. This is an awesome hilt. Look at the buttons. Just absolutely wonderful work on this. Okay. Let's take a look at the chassis that I made. So, I made a chassis with a removable battery, course, and fully accessible board. Got my O-ring there, just playing it safe because it does lock down in there. Got the kill switch up top so that when you pull this down you can kill it and then turn it back. Instead of having to pull it all the way off and get way down here with it, I put it up top. Just a little bit more of a convenience there. And let's see. So we'll pop the battery out here. And of course, no wires. Covered up with my mesh, my wonderful mesh. This chassis does go all the way to here. And let me see something here. Pull this out real quick. Oh, look, it popped right out there, didn't it? So yeah, we've got the stock V3 in there. And I had to cut this down quite a bit to get it to fit. Now it fits just right. So let's, this is a custom Saber Shop WOW speaker.
They're pod racing on Manister. Very fast, very dangerous.
This button is very sensitive.
Start. Cough more. Vader can't stop me now. Nothing can.
the brightness. Pop in the blade plug here. Leave that in now. It's got a great sound to it. This is the aux button here. Main button is up here.
They've had racing on Melister. Very fast, very dangerous.
So, to do the color change, let me see. You hit aux, hold down aux, and then hit the main button. And you can go into color wheel. And then you just hit the main button again, and that locks it into place. Actually, no. Oh, wait. I thought I was doing volume for a second. Okay, yeah. That's what I've got programmed in here is the just the color wheel. And of course, I've got the Wade Sabers sound fonts, which come from Preston over at Syndicate Custom Relics. I've got to remember that he changed the name. Syndicate Custom Relics.
Meet a true Sith. I sense your terror.
This, like I said,
You've killed so many.
is a very nice lightsaber. I would like to have one of these days in my collection that don't exist. So I'm going to call it my fantasy collection. Somewhere on a wall inside my brain, this sits on a wall. And all I have to do is pick it up. So yeah, I guess that's really about it. Not much more to say about this. Shipping it out tomorrow. Let me go try to take a few pictures of it. The chassis is on Etsy if anyone wants this chassis. Works pretty good. I even got the tabs come with it, and the mesh will come with it. So that's it, guys. Y'all have a good one. See you on the next one.